about 15 minutes in and haven't received a single order yet. Okay, finally got something. Not amazing, but something. This is McDonald's, $7 going like 5.5 miles. I got here like right as the lobby's supposed to be opening, so oh no, maybe not. I was gonna try to sneak in through the drive-thru, but it's gonna be close. They might just send me around to go inside.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today? Hi, you're gonna have to come into the front of the store to come and get that. Thank you.
Drive-thru is completely empty. She literally just now unlocked it. I watched her unlock it. 1 minute early, by the way. It was ready. I'm confused. Why would you not just give it to me through the drive-thru then? We might just have to be rocking 1 order per hour on this fine Friday. Next up is another mediocre order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 5 miles, 9 items. It's the best Arizona, by the way. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Black Rock coffee, $7 going about 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a Seize the Bagel, $9 going about 2.5 miles. Hello. Just dropping off for a Renee. There you are. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 6 miles, 6 items. All right, good to go. There's that.
Good on you. Thank you.
And there's that one.
And thank you.
Yep.
You'll get a great rating too, by the way.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you. You have a good day. Can't wait to pay my bills with that good rating. Next up, got another shop and deliver for a different Safeway. This one is, oh, this one's going across the river. I didn't really look at the order before I accepted it. Okay, never mind. Luckily, we got an order on DoorDash, which is a little better, I think. This one is a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Nectar Juice Bar and a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going, I think 7 miles, 5 items. No, it's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. Being on the top floor, isn't it? This second drop-off straight up has 2 paragraphs of instructions. And I'm telling you now, not gonna read them. I'm just gonna wing it.
Yes, that's how I'll take that up here.
All right, there you are. Thank you. Horse. Next order came in right away. This is a Starbucks, $9 going 6 miles.
And then here's this for you.
Thank you.
So much. You have a great day.
You too. Next up, we've got 3 grocery pickups. Hopefully they all fit in my car. This is $16 going 5 miles. I don't know how long this one's gonna take. Hello. Yeah, I see cases of soda. This order is already not worth it.
Gordon, and then let me get the other card. Okay, I put Paul up front. They all have tags.
Okay.
And then Marley is more front. Paul, Marley, that's all Gordon.
I was here earlier. I just couldn't remember the address because this was the 2-paragraph place. It says hand to customer, so probably yeah to this
Okay.
room, wherever that is.
So it's really close.
Yep.
You can actually stay there usually. So anyway, if you come in and you just go down the hall this way,
Okay.
it's a real short corridor, turn left.
Horse.
Alright, so.
Hello.
Directions to room. Do you need a cart or anything?
I might. I think he has a lot of stuff. Do you have one?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back.
Next up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's $8 going 2 miles, 2 items.
Attention service desk.
I think it's actually gonna start raining soon and I am kind of ill-equipped for that. So I'm just gonna head home before I get soaked. Current time is 9:43. Total we ended up with 94. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.